Hey there, Brian at Kingston. Today we're going to take a closer look at one of Kingston's most popular flatbed CNC lathes, the CL58 model. The most common configuration is a 10-inch spindle bore with 1 or 2 turrets, a V8 in the front and an H6 in the rear for 14 tool positions. However, this one's a custom order, the CL58E type, with a 14.7-inch spindle bore. Now, this customer ordered 2 32-inch 4-jaw chucks front and rear along with an Aloris EA tool post. Here are some shots from the build. Again, this CL58E with the 14-inch spindle, 2 32-inch 4-jaws, and single tool post is less common than other configurations, but still very cool, so we thought we'd make a short video about it. If you have any questions or comments, find your local Kingston dealer or reach out to your friends here at Kingston Machine Tool.